You know what time it is. Today, I'm here to showcase my newest listing here in Jacksonville, Florida. This model-looking home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,900 square feet, and a spacious owner suite. You have beautiful vinyl wood plank flooring, tall ceilings in the main family room, a split floor plan, and my favorite part, the spacious kitchen for baking or entertaining. And we're only under 8 miles away from Atlantic Beach and Mayport Naval Station. So reach out to me if you're interested in buying this home.